What the Kansas City Zoo Sky Tram.
Doo, 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 doo. You can see the boat over there that we're going to go on later. We're going to go up in the sky above the animals. We already did this before and we counted how many geese? 40?
Yeah.
I think that they're not part of the zoo. I think they just are chilling in the water. Pretty view. I'm saying, toot, toot, toot. This is where you hop on. Here we go. There's the swarm of geese.
This is their territory.
They're enjoying. We're gonna go right on over these. Oh, that one just.
Oh, whoa.
Did you see him just
That's
run
a
and
hand.
jump? Yeah, he just ran and jumped down. Missed it. There's a little fish in the water. Where are those little quail guys?
They
I think they're quails. Do you think that's what they are?
They're right there.
Yes. Nice little stream. What are
I
those
saw a
guys
little
called?
fish too. What?
And then the signs say what all the animals are.
Springbok, southern methyl, kadu,
Kadoo.
kadu.
There's a
And
bunch of guys chilling over there in the grass.
that is a tongue twister.
Yeah.
It's the sea moth fragment. Dash your backpack.
Uh-oh. Wah, wah, wah. Someone's backpack.
What are those little guys?
What are you little guys? And that's Char and Asher. On a mommy Asher day at the zoo. We had to go see the red pandas first. That tree's kind of cool looking. Once we get over the fence, let's see if the ostriches are over there.
They aren't.
No ostriches to greet us.
Come on.
Those birds are really loud over there. That says an East African crowned crane. There's those guys chilling over there. Oh, there's some over here.
Oh, look. Mom.
Oh yeah, those.
What is that? Oh, keep moving. Keep moving.
Oh, we'll see if we can see turtles.
And there is a loot of turtles.
A loot of
What is
turtles.
that? Something's in there like squawking.
Oh, you see him right there. It's like a little bird. See him?
I think he's in tunnel.
He's in timeout.
Oh, he's got simple.
Why are there a lot of birds in timeout? It's really pretty. You can see those guys in between. There's a nice space over there.
What is that guy doing to us?
I don't know.
Yep.
Those white flowers are pretty. Where'd the ostriches go?
I think they just
See,
decided.
it looks like they made their own little trail through there. Through the woods.
Oh, it looks like a pig coming.
Oh, there's turtles.
Okay, let's see if we can zoom in on the turtles.
Oh, there's a bunch of turtles. There's
There's three chilling on that big rock.
2. 3 and 2.
One,
3 and
2,
2.
3. And then there's the log. Has a couple chilling. Oh, the rock over there has one.
No,
See?
2.
Oh, 2, you're right. Hi, little turtles. They're basking in the sun. They're enjoying this.
He might have swim.
Is that one gonna get in the water?
Oh, look, there's another turtle in the water.
There
You
is?
see him?
Oh, yes. Alright, let's see if we can see any ostriches. Or zebras.
There's one. There's one.
Okay, I spy it.
Dang it, you went.
Where are the zebras? Can they go back into the...
Wilderness.
And where are the giraffes?
Oh, where'd the giraffes go?
And there were 4 ostriches, 2
There's
zebras,
another
and 2
hare.
giraffes.
This is
And
so
we
cool,
rode it just a
Mama.
minute ago. Oh, there's the giraffe.
There he is.
There you are. See if I can find you. See if you can spot the giraffe. There we go. Oh, the giraffe's walking this way. Oh, there's the other one.
No, you come. You giraffe, whatever your name is. You come to this pole. Can you come here?
Where are they? There's...
Oh, he broke a fence and now he's eating the leaves.
Oh, that's smart. Oh, look at the ostriches were on the other side.
They're just looking at
There
him.
they are. Excuse me, sir. Are you eating the stuff on our side of the fence?
How rude.
Maybe they're just nice and share.
Oh, look, rhinos.
And rhinos?
Yeah,
Is there just one rhino?
I think so.
Hi, giraffes. They're so cute. And then the rhino. Where is the rhino?
He's
Do
behind
you
that
spot a
thing.
rhino hiding?
And he's behind that little shade thing.
He's still hiding. Come out, wherever you are. We already see you. There he is.
Oh, there's a hand. Another hand. Oh, no, look, he's doing the splits.
Ah. Let me see if I can find him. There he is. How fun. That's how they've been down, you said. Don't they not have kneecaps?
I don't think
I don't
so.
think they have kneecaps to like bend over. Wait, they must have kneecaps because look at that one walking. You know? Because it's
I
bending
think-
its knees
I
like
think they do that because they're too tall and they have to bend down.
maybe that's how I should start getting down.
What?
Where are they? There you are.
Oh, that hurt.
Very fun to watch. I think that's all the animals.
Oh look, there's a boat on the top of that town.
And we are almost to the end. I don't think there's anything past this fence. And that's the Kansas City ski lift with Asher and Char.
Goodbye!